Hello friends. Yesterday we have discussed our first chapter about introduction of graphs in economics. We have also clarified the concept of diagram and graphs, and we have also differentiated between the thin line of diagram and graphs. Now today we are discussing about importance of diagrams and graphs in economics. It is very important to understand the concept of economics through graphs and diagrams. So let's start with some points. Perceivedly, हम ऐसा मानते हैं, perceivedly we think that economics is very important, that we can't understand it easily in terms of, we can say, theoretically or through providing complex informations. So it is our perception, no doubt about it, but this could be easily explained only through a medium of chart as well as graphs. Different types of charts, different types of diagrams, and different types of graphs. Then some trends which are exist in economy that we are unaware about it, that could be also able to know through the use of diagrams and charts. Trend setting. Then changes which are occurred in primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Which kinds of changes are being carried out in economy? This is also known through the charts only or diagram graphs. Then most important thing is what? That if you want to study the growth of the economy, then we should have to take decision, and the decision is to be considered by the term of comparison. तो कंपैरिजन हम कहां से कर पाएंगे, कैसे कर पाएंगे? It is only through the way of graphs and diagrams. Very easiest way, very cheapest way, and also very negligible and understandable. So comparison is made possible only through diagrams, graphs, which is very easy to understand. Easy explanation is possible. Easy explanation is possible. कुछ कहा भी नहीं और हम समझ जाते हैं कि बार ग्राफ और पाई चार्ट ये जो सब दिए जाते हैं और हम समझ जाते हैं कि ये क्या दर्शाता है. Then explaining of principles of economics. Principles of economics, the study of principles of economics that we have studied in 11th standard, for example, demand and supply theory, extension theory of supply, right? So these types of principles which are considered under the theory of diagrams and graphs become very easy. So explaining of these types of principles become very easy through the help of diagram and graphs. But we should have to consider some points while making these types of graphs and diagrams. So consider it. Choice of type. Number one, which type of chart you are using, bar chart, bar diagram, or a pie diagram that you are using according to your own study purpose. And the purpose is very important while considering drawing a diagram. Then clarity is also required. Yani the focus. You can use colors according to your purpose, your objective. Colors, shades. आपने देखे होंगे कई सारे स्टडी में जो आते हैं. Then scales or measurement, it is also important. Scales or measurement गलत लिए गए हैं, then it is absolutely wrong. Then the chart or graphs will not be according to our own wishes. Therefore, the scales and measurements should be required. If statistical theory is required, then consider it. Representation of axis is required, x and y axis. Data table and sources of data. Please mention that the graph is according to this kinds of sources of data available. So whatever the chart diagram made, and write down under that data table and sources of that data table according to, for example, census 2001, census 2011, etc. And method of calculating data. Which method you are considered, it is also very important. Yani sometimes it is very necessary that you should have to use some statistical tools while describing some graphs, while giving explanation to your chart, to your diagram. So it is very important. For example, time series, some statistical tools, mean, median, mode, that you have already studied in your 10th, 9th, etc. So this all should be considered some important aspects to be that while drawing a diagram. So this is about our second point of our economics text. So wait for our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care, and do your homework regularly. So stay home and stay safe and be careful. Take care. Goodbye.